and ye hear in the 40 or 2 one bet to me a double about to me and ye young crowform yes we will be able to dab into what is going on for an album. Go fear me say I saw for an album. Ye nanu ya chaka. A bonus of for those so much wagana me who be that.
This is Angel 102.9.
A bonus of for pa.
Nice GH.
Obusua enche bia na Ajagurajah beka you akonya wote so ho asem e Bible. Yes, enche bia na me da to me chen we diagram na da me chen. Enche bia na obeka ho asem. Yes. Na obeka ho asem. Obeka ho asem it generates a whole lot of conversation. But before I remember me asem so. Be say me challenge Ghana so fu ina say obi me out no be disprove me say Bible mu nsem ayi preach no enya asante. Obi mra me disprove me say Bible mu nsem na yi preach no ana omu preach no enya asante. It is a shame say preach about asante if na say o ka Bible mu nsem preach about asante because enyoma e wo mu nyina ya asante. Yes, enyoma e wo Bible mu nyina ya asante. But before that no my hwe Ajagurajah nsem na o kan ye no ni diagram na me de ato no na ye ntie say de Ajagurajah nsem is here.
1 Kings chapter 10 verse 18. Also the king built a massive throne of ivory.
The king built a massive throne of ivory.
Ascended with a veneer of gold.
Why?
1 Kings chapter 10 verse 18.
What's it then?
Now ohini ye asonsa hinwa kokuro.
Otu voya ohina sonse kokuro.
Na odi sikama pe dura.
What dey the gra akunya no hono? Sikama pe dura ho.
Edwane wo entwidie nsia.
Edwane wo ntwidie nsia.
Na ekire na enantwie tiri wo.
Ekire na enantwie ti wo.
Na edwane tiri a wo ekire ye kurukuru wa.
Hwe oza soro hwe. Oza kukuruwa wo soro. Hwe. Kukuruwa wo soro. Kwa
osina
Facebook of him so radio.
Tie.
Osina ensa wo aha ene ha.
Twade ensa wo aha ne ha na de na won sa no ho.
Na ejata mienu gina nsa no ho.
Kai 2 3 4 5 6. Hwe gata wa he.
Aha ne ha.
Gata wa he.
Osi jata mienu gina nsa no ho.
Gina ho. Na de
Na ukuti oba no hwe so oka quotation ni nyina e bae e ma hu se ye no kre. Eye ensem a Bible no kafa ewure na kunya ho no kre. Good. Na minka entwia waso, right? Minka entwia waso. Enche bia 3 years ago. 2022, that's 2 years ago. And a UN for omaboa. Aboa na mde atu screen nche na mpese me kan de besi asem bi so. Ema osofo Amoako Ata prophet Amoako Ata ebe kan ho nsem bibiri na mpese mbie ema me ye research bibiri hwade Bible no ne Asante. The difference no and I say the similarities if say no kre say ampa. Ohwe aboa no ye jata owo eagle wings, right? O eagle wings. Eno na ye UN for United Nations for symbol a obu in the year 2022. Yes. Now, sad date was 12/12, which is it was December 12th. That same year, and I also launching gold coin. That was also December 12th, right? The same year, na Solomon Bible, right? Solomon so launching, and that's we like now the end that is the same 12/12. Yes, the same 12/12. Na meba. And then person make show someone say it is a shame. Say the pastors and as so for Ghana and preach about Asante. No more the wada people be any kind. My fire ready will say to na tutu no krano asie chese tutu oka tutu asie chese. Yes. Now before me ba me ni na me sheda koi ekobo say what is the tutu god of the god of day tutu no kra day. Na answer good yo edemami or say Tutu had many aspects, a powerful and a victorious God, a divine king, master of demons, the most essential, right? The most essentially, he was understood as an accessible God to whom people could turn to for help in everyday existence. Siasemi, Fakom Peyura. Me say, Asante for any bibia kwa. me say suffer bi ma disprove say asem we are making any sanity omra o ma disprove me say asem we any sanity tutu yes na o kire mu me say o ye obi a ensem ye den a incarnate for solutions ye den na o say tutu odi kan kire asante ma na say de odi o hen odi kan kire asante my friend o say tutu mbisa ho sa medical be catch us in 1920 abrofo ne suma a obi ba ne betena asante ma mu say o mehwe kwan a ye fa susum nyame kura de say the year 1920 me say what the memo critical analysis if asante who you don't know critical analysis if ensem a me say e dey and you feel to was it a coincidence that time na google ni wiase o and wa gase we go hwe google so and e dey e to na google ni wiase na in there's no tool for ebia research and ibisa everything was manpower and spiritual. They know all this, but they won't teach you. It is never evil to be traditionalist. Yes. Na and so why, right? And so na tutu no kra no. Also me di kan be kan you and for aboa no boa. Good. Na tutu no kra no tutu no. Na ka mo ye den. The symbol no e den. I want to be boss to mind. Tutu na kra aboa na be atoso. And I'll say a depiction of tutu is a lion with human head wearing a double feather crown. The solar disc and ram horn. Beautiful. The mediato swinging chimo or diamond. Yes, uncle back to you and for aboard. It's a lion with eagle feathers. A dear catch all. Mrs. Samuel, we won't yan a baby and a meeting your mom, Sabi. The soft will be one also a powerful umbra, or disproving me. So, some way I be can your Bible, and you know, crack. Or disproving me. So, same way you know, crack. I mentioned say, you know, crack. Right? You know, crack. And a mediato so a woman, a born right? So, and can be being chill. Maybe so. Solomon, you know, Asante. Asante, me say. Solomon, you know, Asante. So for me, problem disprove me. Won't share me for debate. Maybe be church. Yes. Na ebia munzo no. Enka me say. Senka sikadwa kofi. Eye golden stool no. Wo the golden stool ni bompire. It is called the mercy seat. Remember golden stool is right. Remember golden stool is. Ene ekwan Bible fasoka about golden stool. Me ho asem. It is known as the mercy seat. Meba. And before that, no, yewura aboa no ye no. Prophet Amoako Ata bekan. Ebe chire mu kura me hu say 666 no. Evil thing. 666 is not an evil thing. It relates to Asante. Yenko tie 3 years ago. And some prophet Amoako Ata ekan ye ewo Angel FM. Yentie ne kakra bi nhwade.
Na ma obi some prophetic na yemfa mbesi ade so. Last week, I was talking about number 1212. Say actually I'm okay. Say yeah, otumfo to me a picking that date. Na otumi a year na de no. It means say papa no o nimbribia asofo bibiri enim. And Kofi trust me say from Sunday aircon in the realms of the spirit, you know. It's so prophetic. Say so. Obiti me make sure say you don't think when you maybe just keke. I'm the part or the artist one. When you maybe keke. Unim say Sunday na otumfo inaugurating ne kwan no. Say Sunday na UN for so 2022 almost symbol yipie.
And that TV no so no.
Yeah.
About aboa no ho efo. Say ne ho nye hu dia.
Na taba no eye eagle na nanim no eye jata. Na you know ye
ɛna ne ho no nso kra no but me
when you feel beast no when a beast now watch this some guys can say the so there na a tiger if you nsuo and the color no yellow so okay my na mpanyinfoɔ 24 and no mote say beast ni so nsuo no pie free pum and a buy make an November and a December UN4 a move one move queen no near move up one p near na president no opia no odiso China president no di kan and the queen to aso and the pope to aso and Nancy police police or something and what was and it was surprise you be so different say na otum for 9 out of 24 no na otum for 9 and this appear out of the sea no now there were 4 royals 84 royals we queen free wa na otum for yora and Thailand into yeah monarchy no sa no 3 na 4 one dey man hu nanim that no so na oye powerful pa into kofi dia na ekoso dia na UN for hu ya they pick number 12 of the 12 December na UN for so wo flag no na toss of 12 and na omo enye nipa but na omo symbol United Nations, you know, in the sea beast and so that was number 12. Can you imagine? And Uncle 40 ya back in November. Now Uncle 40 ya 12th day of the 12th month. Then they bring Abuan the assemble.
Mama say Abuan when you fenade ama girlfriend say Kofi is this beautiful. Me say no when you fe
a beast.
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 Why say beast we dey no fe.
Passam na Kofi. One more passam na kan kire wiase. Now yanko Daniel chapter 7.
Chapter 7 verse 2 to 4. Was it Daniel Ephras here say me hunu mani so de anajo.
What?
Na hwe. Osoro mframa nan etu boy e wo epokese no so. Na emo akese nan epie firi epono mu.
Emo akese nan epie firi epono mu.
Esono weyi na esono weyi.
Na esono weyi.
Ye odikan no te se jata.
O se de odikan no te se de a.
Jata.
Abo we nanim te se de a.
Jata. Na owo okode entaban.
Can you imagine?
Oi. Hey.
Yatra. Daniel was able to see Adia appear kwasi ada way ne breso. When they catch you and for some boy we are oh man guess when now number 4 for you to understand say you can't control country ben wiase ne symbol lion United Kingdom Britain country ben and a symbol eagle US.
Yeah. This is Angel 102.9.
Can you imagine? From 2022 aircon there's going to be an ethnic governmental influence. Now I thank God for say yet you know hene back or Ghana he the man understood the times and seasons. Now the man was able to capture the time and also to me brofa short.
This is Angel.
We are seeing that day now or launching the icon.
Yeah. Okay.
Because do you know what? This thing the idea we have you know. Now and eba be idea be now otuya some can say on the 12 no that very day and the first Solomon King Solomon oyi na honya de na japade nyina epi oyi ne icon epi.
Sure.
Revelation chapter 13.
Revelation chapter 13 verses 1. Also na me hunu aboa bi a owo emendu ene etire enson ofiri epumu esore.
Also ofiri na
epumu esore.
Nti Daniel de no ana John onyame aye the continuity and the part no. Ana John ebe kire se aboa we pia dian ena be di akire aba.
But aboy Sagana yenso quarter farms eagle ye de o. Ti adana
Kofi ahun say tem bia me sha American come na ma connect to Ghana.
Okay. Yeah.
And follow the pattern.
Okay.
Now you be see ade so bi ntie ne ba. Ade bi be see American no direct to Ghana. Ansa ko Nigeria because of the down. Now the revelation
17 to 8 13 17 to 18 was say now so obi entumi nto
was say there ya
obi ntumi ento
aboa no da odi fu mu be hu say man ya bis na owo ige na pie no there's a system where air bar is connected to buying and selling with the mark of
the beast. Now so being to me to anase on to
anase on to
gidi owo aboa no agina ye
gese ne owo aboa no agina ye
anase aboa ne din ana ne din enkonta entwere ye
anase ne din enkonta entwere
aha no ohwehwe nyansa
o se den ya
aha no ohwehwe nyansa
o se den ya aha ne hia nyimdifo te se otumfo a o betumi adabo betumi han ye hia nkrofo o ye serious a we will be able to dab into what is going on in the realms of the spirit so that yan catch in the system you can connect. Now watch this.
Dear owa adwene no
was it there
dear owa adwene no
kofi was it there
dear owa adwene no
what is there
emu aboa no enho konta
omu aboa no konta
na eye onipa enkonta ento ano
o say there ya onipa ade a omo be ye no from 2022 econo everything about this beast is connected to human being a human government with a human influence without God.
666 so obo anaga na fo abohu kakra say you say rapture na chi obi
asofo na abon kofi me say asofo na abon ye na no ya cha kan abon asofo do so much wa Ghana me hu bi da.
This is Angel 102.9
abon asofo pa
anti 666 no enye evil sign bi
ma me nko kire on baby nipa odi kan 66 ba ye first time I appear 12 Solomon be so first
Kings chapter 10 verses 13 to 14
kan
or say and the king Solomon gave unto Queen of Sheba
said you say kwasi dai no na Solomon na kwasi dai na odifo oyi na nyapade nyina kire ye ahwa you Queen Sheba free Ethiopia hima
and King Solomon gave unto the Queen of Sheba all her desire whatsoever she asked besides that which Solomon gave her on his royal bounty. She turned and went to her own country and she and his servants. Now the weight of gold that came to Solomon,
the weight of gold.
Gold.
The weight of gold.
I said
the weight of gold.
That is 12 Solomon bereso. And na otumfo be ya ne 12 nano.
That came to Solomon in 1 year.
In 1 year
was 666 talents of gold.
Etimoni ya wahen na chese wa ya Ghana so far born to dia hunu says means mass government system of wealth, health and happiness. A code
Dabio ya ti say no
the oh
Dabio say so kwa ya
no chire mu ehu say e no kure e den na yewura etimi anase yewura timi e launch in the coin on the 12 Solomon so ye ne dey on the 12 Emma omu yi aboa we on the 12 unti semase unti ase we e na o sen ka busua na hu ade so se me boa e me sure say the only man a oya ati sa nwe ase ya Ajagurajah ono na em say ye bi nani wo sa nwe ma we amane hu ade enu nti na kia ne ke wa we aka se chinchin na twa pese wa chia yewura nsem wo de mbetimi the video we ku attack Ajagurajah me sure say Ajagurajah ne betimi abo ye we mu chire mu ya ateni o maase because we hu line no e no nam so me say because asem we are making wo hwe ono na ase wo hu the spiritual line of Asante ni yewura Asantehene wo hu baby efi any biblical aspects bi e wo Bible wo hu wo hu nti na me say nti say unti ase a me maye me say ase unzo okotu quotation wo Daniel right esa quotu Revelations na me dia two screens no nti say unti ase a me maye ndada o yes afeyem call the golden stool I Bible friend the mercy seat mama ncho e be ka ekwan a what history of conformation ekwan of fa so e command golden stool ne bai me wa say what wasem what a quaya Bible if I so command good to what it. I mean, ha ha ha. And then me say, the bass me be beauty. Oh, Bible for Bible. Where is Exodus 25, verse 22? Na a reading say, a quaya conform which fast command good to the new any. Say or say, Ubi or say, and there I will meet with thee, Meshiamu, and I will commune thee from above. I will commune with thee from above. Now, me command the identity so abba. The mercy seat, the mercy seat from between the two cherubims, which are upon the ark of the testimony of all things which I will give thee in commandment unto children of Israel. What are you saying? Ghana is the olden days Israel. Asante is the olden days Israel. And maybe a picture be said where the 12 tribes na that then times a dayura home. Maybe the reasons what the ancient the reasons in here the name would no day a juada san it was named Asante the name was I will bring it out for you to see. Sir and sir, if you don't understand, let me teach you. Montagia Ajagurajah so shadi na and some American say no cry or no subit me actually becoming so a more of spiritual. Right? It's a golden stone na media ban. No picture na so now say a da pamada kebiso. Yes, a da pamada kebiso. We just as me hu apamada kan so how. Ana na oba nchiremu na right oba Hebrews 4 say sorry oba I say the mercy seat was a gold lid placed on the ark of covenant. It was connected with the rituals of the Day of Atonement. The mercy seat was a place where God will meet with his people. It may catch will say, golden stool no anything keke. The kwanya no nyame pese wo fa so be hia asante no. Israel for ne ende asante no. Me say read the Exodus 25:22. No we probably say na pamada kana e kana we. Then da no. Apamada kana da no. Men maye na da ho. Enye mistake say, e maye na da. Asante ayo man ifi ewurade e man konkon ifi ewurade enu na broni aya watimi antitim busa ho say e den pa poti na profi hu ya they were not fighting the supremacy of Asante, they were only fighting for one thing, golden stool. Ohun den ada me ye obi be kasa nsem tietia am ade tiam akọ kase odoma nkoma don ni ade a eye ewura kotwa akwam kan eni bi eti David and Goliath am this asem e be ko be didi matem. But until you must, you don't know it. Shut up. Shut up. I mean, chill, Nyoma. And the wow you can go back and study it again. Don't come here and be saying things you don't know. Who told you? You don't know. Let and our ancients for a now. Tutu no the ancient artworks of year will break time in Nana or mediator screen. We are tabine only a year. So, Oye Jata. Until you got Nasi Biabo Jatano. But they didn't see the Busan, I didn't a friend who still say Jata. What was a question? Don't sit down and come and say anything you don't know. We know more. You say, I see a bear something, something, you name no. Me say in the year 1920, Abrofu said that Soma will be. Say, Omra Ghana, and now Omra something, and we soon said the Asante, a yen in Yoma. A coin of Asante Fasu soon in Yami. In Yami Cromo friend is a honeymoon be who say Yame. What I say? A honeymoon who say Yame, cross any din the sea. What I say? A hot, and will be who say, say Yame no crown. And Yamina can it means God. Intimate my two foot through Guani, my brother. Me say, me my two foot through Guani, my two foot through Guani. As of no, it's either say, you don't know, or in a kind of so my bomb partition, prophet Amoako Ata so my bomb, addition or mumpe. Namino, Minini Suyag, addition or mumpe. Mum partition, no credit. adusua na ɔmo nti wote hɔ nom a mesrɛ wo wote asante na ɛnyɛ adeɛ bi akeke asante ɛnyɛ adeɛ bi akeke nti hwɛ nie book no kɔpɛ kan ne gyae sɛ na obi sei obi ayɛ sei